once again create that which has been lost, destroyed. It is not simply a chore, but the goal of a whole generation. To painstakingly revive know-how and traditions with the help of professional craftsmen. To regain the title of the finest. To build a future based on the guarantee of quality. In pursuit of achieving the desired result, we open new horizons and potentials for ourselves. Materials that are capable of bringing us anywhere in the world, of compelling us to feel the beauty of the journey, and to appreciate the quality in every touch. Durability of form, a breathable surface, protection from moisture and damage. All of this makes us invincible and constantly ready to be on the move. And we follow these desires despite external factors and inner fears. We confidently step forward, maintaining traction in the most impenetrable of places. Each of us has the right to decide where and when to start our journey. Whether it will be a short one or one that will continue for our entire life. How much of a trace we will leave behind, and what kind of terrain we have to cross. The choice will always depend upon us. So it is important to choose what to wear and how we plot our journey correctly.